The latest consumer price index was just released and it came in better than expected at 4.9% instead of 5%, which is the slowest decrease in the last 2 years, which isn't really saying much. But Bitcoin is above $28,000. Before the CPI data was released, I decided to close out my short position that I was in the other day, and for a 48% gain, although there's a $20 fee for that, I leveraged 24x trade I did. So I went from $340 to $490, not bad. By the way, I'm only trading with 1 to 2% of my portfolio just for fun. Don't be doing anything crazy and trying this high leverage trade with 90% of your portfolio because you're just gonna get wrecked. In my previous video, I was looking at this price action as an ABC Elliott wave correction, thinking that we would drop down to this level right here. I did bring out the trend-based Fibonacci extension tool, which shows you that the $26,000 level would be a 1-to-1, and this was also a possibility. So it is possible that this might be the cycle low. If we bring out the cyclic lines, a cycle is measured from the floor to the next floor, and you can see that we've been moving in these 60-day cycles. For me to be convinced that this is the bottom at around $27,750, the price needs to get above the $30,000 big even psychological level. Again, the chart is just human emotions manifested into reality. And humans love things in balance and harmony. When we take a look at the previous cycle bottom, we can see that it took 1-2 daily candles for Bitcoin to get above its previous high right here at $24,000 before it ripped higher. And I'm still giving it the same time frame for Bitcoin to get above the $30,000 level in the next 24 to 48 hours. Otherwise, there's still time for it to roll over and possibly drop down to the 200-day simple moving average because we're still in that 60-day-ish timing for the bottom. The bearish scenario is more clear when we take a look at the on-balance volume. Again, price is the result and volume is the effort used to produce the result. And if you take a look at the volume, it does look like it might bounce off of support right here. But as price is moving higher, we can see a bearish divergence where the volume has been trending lower. So we really want to see in the next 24 to 48 hours, Bitcoin to get above the $30,000 level and this volume to break up higher and hopefully exceed this bullish breakout line I have right here at 1.28 million. So in the next 24 hours, if Bitcoin starts to show signs of rolling over, I probably will degen into another 20 to 30x leverage position. So feel free to subscribe to this channel, and you probably want to follow me on Twitter where I'm very active.